some roses and some hydrangeas. This is what this runner panel is made out of. I'm going to be using this to design and decorate my backdrop. I just really love how beautiful and full these flower panels look. And I usually like to go with the basic colors, which is white and ivory, because I know this is a color that I can always reuse to create and design my backdrops. Hi guys, so we just arrived here in the Rosen Plaza in one of their ballrooms on the second floor. So right now we're just gonna go ahead and quickly set up. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys on how I go about arranging this beautiful backdrop we're gonna do back here. So this is how it looks before we set it up. This is a stage right here. So I'm just gonna show you guys a quick tutorial on an easy way you can go about setting up your backdrop. So today is the day before the event. Good thing is we got lucky. The hotel didn't have any event the day before the event, so we were able to come in the day before the event and get started. So like I was saying before, I'm going to go ahead and set up a backdrop back here. It's going to be a pretty white backdrop. I'm going to show a small tutorial on how you can go about doing that. It's pretty easy. Luckily today is the day before the event and we are super excited. We can't wait to get started. It's for a Suite 15 Quinceanera and it is going to be really fun and exciting putting this together, and this ballroom looks really beautiful. It's for about 80 people, so that's how much we are going to be setting it up for. Yeah, and then we kind of already have the tables already laid out, already set up, so now we're just gonna kind of go about decorating it, setting up all the tables, and then putting the backdrop together. Okay, so I'm just here to kind of take you guys on a little bit of a decoration inspiration with me, so definitely stay tuned and then I'll see you guys on the next clip. Backdrop, other than the accessories of the backdrop, another real important accessory you're going to need is zip ties. So you're going to need really long and heavy duty zip ties to put your backdrop together. Okay, so you're going to need it long, heavy duty, and you're going to need lots of it. Another important accessory you're going to need is these hooks. So these hooks, I'm going to use it to put one of my crossbars you see here in the front. These hooks are about 3 inches. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use to put my third crossbar front with the backdrop on the front. going to add the flowers onto the crossbar. How we're gonna do it? We're gonna zip tie them. Okay, guys. So, so this is the runners we're going to be using. So, okay, and I'm gonna take these really long zip ties, and I'm just gonna zip tie them to the pole. Okay guys, we're gonna rain check for tonight. Myself and Sonia, 4 o'clock in the morning, Saturday morning. Saturday morning, 4 o'clock, 4:50. 4:50, Saturday morning. And we're gonna go ahead now, go work on the fresh flowers, and then be back here in the morning or in the afternoon around 1.